Hello there. Today let's talk about some product that always been used of people around the world, but they don't used properly. Do you know what is that?
Did you know about this product? Let's me talk and introduce all of you about this product. The product named is Dry and Wet Waste Bin.
The function of this product is, the dry and wet waste bin is designed to facilitate the separation of household or industrial waste into two distinct categories: dry waste, non-biodegradable, and wet waste, biodegradable. Its primary function is to promote environmentally friendly waste management practices by allowing users to dispose of recyclable and organic materials separately. Next, let's talk about what the specifications of this product contributed. The first one is about the material. Typically made from durable and recyclable materials such as plastic, metal, or composite materials. 2. Capacity. Available in various sizes to accommodate different waste generation levels, ranging from small bins for households to larger bins for commercial or industrial use. 3. Color coding. Often color-coded with distinct colors for dry and wet sections to enhance visibility and user-friendly waste disposal. 4. Compartments. Equipped with separate compartments or labeled sections for dry and wet waste, ensuring proper segregation. 5. Lid design. May have a lid or cover to control odors and prevent pests, especially for the wet waste compartment. Lastly is about on how easy to clean. Designed for easy cleaning to maintain hygiene standards.
Now, let's talk about the history and revolution for dry and wet waste bin. Waste segregation into dry and wet categories has evolved over time, and specific establishment dates may vary by region. Here's a general overview using centuries. The first revolution was starting on 18th century. Early waste management practices focused on basic disposal methods, with limited consideration for environmental impact or recycling. Second, going to 19th century. The concept of recycling started gaining attention, particularly with materials like paper, glass, and metal. After that, the product was revolution on 20th century. Mid-20th century saw a rise in environmental awareness, leading to initial efforts to reduce pollution and landfill usage. The 1970s onwards witnessed a growing emphasis on waste management policies and recycling initiatives. And now, 21st century. Waste segregation practices became more standardized and widespread, with many countries adopting legislation and policies to encourage or mandate separation of dry and wet waste. Ongoing advancements in waste processing technologies continue to support sustainable waste management practices. So, we know all the product this world have a pros and cons. So there are some limitations and weaknesses associated with this practice. Firstly, contamination issues. Despite efforts to educate the public, contamination can occur when individuals incorrectly dispose of items in the wrong bin. Contaminated waste may compromise recycling processes. Secondly, space constraints. Some households or urban areas may face space limitations for multiple waste bins. This can make it challenging to implement effective waste segregation practices. Thirdly, lack of awareness. In certain regions, there may be a lack of awareness or understanding about the importance of waste segregation, leading to improper disposal practices. Last but not least is odor and pest issues. Wet waste bins, containing biodegradable materials, may lead to unpleasant odors and attract pests if not managed properly. Now, let's check what is the benefits or strength of new design of the new product. 1. Effective waste segregation. The product should excel in facilitating the separation of dry and wet waste, helping users easily distinguish and dispose of recyclable and biodegradable materials. 2. Hygiene and odor control. Incorporating features like lids or covers for the wet waste section helps control odors and maintain hygiene, making the product suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. 3. Easy maintenance and cleaning. A design that facilitates easy cleaning and maintenance contributes to the product's practicality and ensures ongoing usability. 4. Innovative features. Integration of innovative features, such as sensor-based lids or smart monitoring capabilities, can enhance the product's appeal and functionality. 5. Positive environmental impact. The overall impact of the product on waste reduction, recycling rates, and environmental sustainability contributes to its strengths in the market. So, our team member decided to create a useful product for household use. This is the Smart Dry and Wet Waste Bin. This is wet bin and dry bin. Let's take a deep look at how the product functions. Firstly, take a dry waste such as plastic or recycled material and put closely to the sensor for the bin to detect either it is wet or dry waste. After 5 seconds, the lid automatically opens. Next, take wet waste such as wet tissue and put on the sensor at the top of the lid bin. Put palm hand or something in front of the sensor. After 5 seconds, the lid automatically opens. Easy to household separately dry or wet waste.
That's all from us. Thank you.